This place is magical. Koh Samui, what's not to love? Internal domestic flights in Thailand are super easy. Book a few days in advance. I overpaid. I paid around 4,000 Thai baht for a one-way ticket from Bangkok to Koh Samui, but that's because I only booked 24 hours in advance. But don't worry about booking all these internal flights before you even arrive in Thailand. Book them when you're here and you know your plans. That way you can be flexible.
The Bangkok airport truly impressed me. There were so many lounges to choose from. With my Priority Pass membership, I went with the Coral, with its big open space, real and designer plates and coffee cups, and a chance to down a little Thai food while working and waiting for my flight.
So nice. On our way to Koh Samui.
In a flash, we left the big mango behind. My mind shifted from Bangkok street food to exploring the big island 300 kilometers south in the Gulf of Thailand. There are about 7 to 8 flights a day, and once you're up, you've landed, with the journey only lasting about an hour and 5 minutes.
Thank you. We are in Koh Samui, and right away, everything's different. The blue skies, you see the islands down below, the beaches. This morning it was raining in Bangkok, but it's cleared up now. And you just get a sense of calmness and relax. Oh. 400 Thai baht for this taxi ride to my hotel. It's different than in Bangkok. That's more than I paid to get to the airport this morning.
You should check to see if your hotel offers shuttles from the airport. Normal taxi services don't operate inside the airport. If you want to go cheap, walk outside the airport gates, flag down a red and yellow vehicle. If you're traveling light, you can rent a motorbike right on the spot.
We're gonna see the different rooms.
I stayed at Casa de Mar on the north end of Chiang Mai. It has its own beach access, pool, restaurant, and Thai massages to ease your travel aches.
This is not a bad room. I wanted to upgrade to a room with the beach view or an ocean view with the swimming pool. It looked amazing. But to be honest, the extra cost was going to be too much. This room here, I got it with credit card points, but it cost around 7,000 baht for 3 nights. A good price here in Koh Samui, and right close to the beach, a modern room, and you're close to the little city. I'm just south of the airport near the Cha Wang beach, and it's supposed to be one of the most popular areas on the Koh Samui island. I wanted to go somewhere in Koh Samui where there was a bit of life. I didn't want to be too isolated. It's definitely worth visiting the island if you're in Bangkok. It's a short trip, about a 1-hour flight, and the tickets do not cost much if you book enough in advance. Already landing here, I saw the beaches, the little island. It makes me want to get out there and explore, and that's what I'm gonna do next. There are probably other better places on the island, but it was around 1:30, 2 o'clock already. I was getting hungry, so I went to the first place walking away from my hotel, and I got this som tam. It's basically papaya salad. Oh, and here we go. Viva Koh Samui. So fresh. With soy, you got your peanuts in there, tomatoes. Did I mention the papaya? I ordered it medium spicy, perfect. And if it gets too spicy, what's your favorite Thai dish? Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you enjoy eating when you go to a Thai restaurant or here in Thailand. If you're enjoying these videos, please give it a thumbs up. That helps with all the YouTube algorithm. If you want to support me making all these YouTube travel videos, please consider giving a super like down below. That'd be much appreciated. So this is my sick transportation for the next few days here in Koh Samui.
The motorbike was only 300 baht a day. I climbed on and zipped off immediately to Boput Beach for a beer and watched the sunset on a day of traveling.
This place is magical. It's Coco Tams. It's at the northern end of Koh Samui. What's not to love?
Night fell, fire dancers performed, and Koh Samui in only the first few hours won me over.